Welcome to Technospace. Today we will discuss about the transfer updates and rumors of January 2019. River Plate midfielder Ezequiel Palacios is set to sign for Real Madrid as early as next week, according to Mundo Deportivo. The paper says the deal for the 20-year-old is in place and will be completed when the Argentine returns from a short holiday after the new year. Paris Saint-Germain and Manchester City have also been linked with the informed midfielder, which is believed to have speeded up Los Blancos' pursuit of the deal. The 20-year-old have been heavily linked with a switch to Los Blancos since the summer, as Santiago Solari's men search for a long-term successor to Casemiro. Palacios has made 47 first-team appearances for River, although 20 of those have arrived this season, including helping the Buenos Aires side to victory in the Copa Libertadores. Ajax midfielder Frankie de Jong has agreed to join Barcelona, according to reports in Spain. Ajax wants at least 75 million euros for de Jong, a fee Barcelona considers excessive. Barcelona are willing to pay 60 million euros. A potential deal for daylight could come into it too. If they are getting a lot for him, they may lower their price for de Jong. Barcelona believe that in the end, they will reach an agreement. Barcelona have maintained contact with the player since the summer and plan to tie up the transfer ahead of next season. De Jong has also met with Manchester City, Bayern Munich and PSG, but always intended to give Barcelona priority. De Jong has already seen his dream move collapse once in the early stages, after Ajax refused to do business last summer, claiming they wish to keep hold of their best players. But with the player's reputation quickly growing and the financial rewards from a sale looking beneficial, the Dutch side look likely to cash in over the summer. De Jong also insists on a summer move to bring to an end a transfer saga that would have dragged on for over a year. But the player has not let the talks over a move harm his performances on the pitch and has remained a key player in a side that is in the hunt for the Dutch title as well as the Champions League, where they have reached the last 16 for the first time since 2006. Chelsea boss Mauricio Sarri admitted that he is surprised Eden Hazard's contract situation has gone on so long that the Blues might have to sell him in the summer. The 27-year-old's current deal with the Blues runs out in the summer of 2020, and with the rumors of Real Madrid still circulating, the fear that the Blues might lose him is a real possibility. Hazard has continuously flirted with the idea of joining the Spanish side, stating that it is his dream club, but then claiming after the victory against Watford that he wants to be considered a Chelsea legend. The Blues have been trying to pin down the Belgian skipper to a new long-term deal since they won the Premier League title back in 2017. However, he is yet to put pen to paper on a new contract. It is a real possibility that they might be forced to sell him in the summer, and Sarri admits that he is surprised it has come to this point with a player who is so important to the club. If Hazard fails to sign a new contract, then there is little that the Blues can do to keep him during the summer transfer window, unless Real Madrid end their interest in him. But whatever the decision, Sarri admitted that he wants to know what is happening as soon as possible, for he can plan for whether or not he will have the Belgian in his squad. But as things seem to be as of now, Hazard moving to Real Madrid is a real possibility. Borussia Dortmund have confirmed that Christian Pulisic will join Chelsea for 64 million euros, with the United States forward to be loaned back to the Bundesliga leaders until the end of the season. The 20-year-old moved to Germany as a teenager and has made more than 80 appearances for Dortmund, he admitted in November that he hoped to play in the Premier League, having refused to sign an extension to his existing contract. It was always Christian's dream to play in the Premier League. That certainly has to do with his American background, and as a result, we were unable to extend his contract. Dortmund sporting director Michael Zorc told the club's official website. Against this background, we have decided to accept an extremely lucrative bid by Chelsea, given the low contract maturity. Christian Pulisic is a character-perfect player. I am sure that in the coming months, he will do everything in his power to bring his high quality to the team and to achieve his sporting goals with his teammates Borussia Dortmund. Pulisic told Chelsea's official website, "In summer, I move on to Chelsea and to a new competition, the English Premier League. It's a privilege to have signed for such a legendary club, and I look forward to working hard towards being a contributor to their team of world-class players." Chelsea's director Marina held Pulisic's potential after the 20-year-old switch was agreed. "We are delighted to have signed one of the Europe's most sought-after young players," she said in a club statement. Christian has shown his quality during a fantastic spell in Germany, and at just 20, we believe he has the potential to become an important Chelsea player for many years to come. We look forward to welcoming him to Stamford Bridge in the summer, and wish him and Dortmund every success for the remainder of the season. These are all the latest transfer updates and rumors. If you like the video, then hit the like button. We will be back soon with more new news. So to get notified, hit the bell icon. And if you have not subscribed us yet, then subscribe us. Follow Technosports to stay updated. Thank you.